Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be doing some updates about Funnel Franchise. I just got an email a few days ago from Mark Whitley, who is the founder of Funnel Franchise. Okay, so they've had a lot of requests for assistance in helping set up the Funnel Franchise accounts as far as setting up all the funnels. So they're offering a service. It's a one-time payment of $67. They'll set everything up for you. So what that includes, and this is completely optional. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to. The full funnel import and setup, it includes 5 funnel setup if you're an elite, and 1 if you're a free member. So even if you're a free member, you could still have this service, but you will have to pay for it. I just want to be very upfront about that. Okay, so they also set up your thank you pages and legal pages with all the details filled in that apply to you. They'll set up and test opt-in conversions, button clicks, and page visit tracking so you'll know all of your numbers. Okay, so that's kind of like a line of sight. You'll know what's going on. Autoresponder setup, whether you're using Mailing Boss, Aweber, or GetResponse. They do recommend Mailing Boss to reduce costs and ease of integration. Again, that's completely up to you. A follow-up email sequence set up and edited with your links, name, and all the details that are required in email marketing. Integration with your autoresponder list and fully tested. You'll then receive a setup completion email with your link or links if you're an elite, plus any additional instructions required. So there might be some steps that you might have to do once they get everything set up. But they'll give you the instructions for that. And what they're saying is they'll have the setup completed within 24 to 48 hours so you can start driving traffic. Okay, and then this will take you out to a video. And this video basically just goes through everything. And there's the cost of it. Okay, now the other update that I wanted to provide is that now that the members area, which was previously not secured, is now secured. So they have added an SSL certificate. So all of our information is encrypted as it's traveling from one server to the other over the internet. And that was an issue with a few people, that it wasn't secured, but now it is. So you can have confidence that you can log in and your information will be safe. All right. So I've made a few other videos about Funnel Franchise if you want to learn the basics. I also have a pretty extensive review and explanation of Funnel Franchise and what it's all about and how you can make money even with the free membership. Okay, so please take a look at those links. I'll add those videos down in the description of this video along with the link out to my website, and you can check it out for yourself and decide if it's something that you want to join. Now somebody said that they're now making you pay $49 for something. That's not true. That person misunderstood. You can still join Funnel Franchise for free and make money on anybody that upgrades. You can make 10% on any of the upgrades. So you do not have to purchase anything as a free member. Okay? So please take a look at the links in the description and you decide for yourself. Thanks for watching and good luck.